Alright, so this is my motherboard that just came in. You know, the Gigabyte. There we go. Shows you right there. I just farted. Uh, this is the flap to lock in the CPU. You got your SATA. Battery. Some stuff. Some energy saver writing. Your RAM. 4 slots. Your DDR3. Got her driver slots or whatever we call them. We have a couple connectors right here.
And more SATA cables back here.
More SATA ports. We got our SATA ports right here
Some in the back
for
too.
our internal.
There's 1, 2. There's 2 back here. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 USB.
Came in this package.
10 USBs.
10 USBs plus a few more USB connectors where there's like one right there or something. Let it focus. This thing's acting retarded.
Oh, did you see my phone case? My styro.
I don't care. Oh, that's cool. New phone case, yo. Pretty gay.
Got it at the dollar store.
Oh, you fucking gay. You're off on charge. Oh, that's some stupid feature.
Core boost.
That's got some retarded feature that it charges your iPod, your iPhone,
Dude,
when the computer's
Cord
off. Stop.
boost. Core boost. Look at that. Core
Yes,
boost.
okay, stop. Remove your filthy fingers.
Oh, there's another USB.
Okay, stop touching it with your fucking fingers. You're getting your disgusting human oils on it.
Oh, look, audio.
Stop touching the fucking Jason.
Audio.
Jason.
Audio, Brandon.
Jason.
Brandon, audio.
Okay, I fucking see that. Stop touching the motherboard.
Touching it.
Oh,
Oh,
fucker, man.
Oh.
Alright, well, you got your stuff there. You got that.
Look at this is.
This is a video. This is parts
Size weird.
parts 1 of like
20. Fuck.
no, parts 1 of like 13 or 8. I don't know where the video card goes on one of these. I'm not sure. Forgot which one.
Look, this is for the Dolby thing right here.
Okay. Well,
Look, there's side.
I'll keep you guys updated.
which
Peace.
we showed